Hello friends, today we shall take the divisibility rule by 7. What is the rule? If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. If you write the different tables, you see, table is table of 9, we are writing the table of 9, that is 9 into 1, 9 into 1 is equal to 9, 9 into 2 is equal to 18, 9 into 3 is equal to 27, 9 into 4 is equal to 36, 9 into 5, 45, 9 into 6 is equal to 54, 9 into 7 into 7 and 7 is 63, 9 into 8, 72, 9 into 9, 81, and 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Now, if you see that if we add the two numbers, here it is 9 plus the number is 9. If we add this number also, then we are getting 1 plus 8 is also 9, right? If we add this number, that is 2 plus 7, we are also getting 9, right? If here is here 36, that is 3 plus 6, we are getting 9, right? After that, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, that is also give us 9, or it can be 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And it is also 6 plus 3, that also comes to 9. 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 gives us 9. And 8 plus 1 is also giving us 9. And you see this is also 9 plus 0 gives us 9. That means if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. We find from the table that if we add the two numbers, we are getting 9, and 9 is divisible by 9, therefore it is a divisible of 9. Right? Let us take another example. Suppose the number is 4608. 4608. If we add all the numbers, that is 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8, we are getting 4 plus 6, 10 plus 8, it is 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 4608 will also be divisible by 9. Right? Let us divide 4640608 by 9. Right? 5 9 is 45. 45. Here 6 minus 1 is 5, that is 10. 9 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 1. 8. 9 2 is 18. 9 2 is 18. Therefore, you see here that remainder is 0. That is, this is the remainder. Right? That means if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Take another example. Suppose 5283. Suppose we are taking another example. 5 2 8 3. What is the sum? This is 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3. Then 8 plus 2 10 plus 5 15 plus 3 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 5283 is also be divisible by 9. Let us divide 5 to 5, 2, 8, 3. We are dividing by 9. Doing this by 9. Right? We are dividing by 9. The number is 52. 5 9 is 45. 5 9 is 45. Right? 5, 7. Right? Then 8. 8 down. 9. 8 9 is 72. 8 9 is 72. 8 minus 2 is 6. And it is 3. That means 7 9 is 63. 7 9 is 63. And here also we find that remainder is 0, or you can say it is also divisible, right? Therefore, we can say the divisibility rule of 9 is if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Again, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9.